A story building just collapsed at Yaradua. All the home workers are still inside. Most of them are dead. A story building just collapsed right now. Please, God, make sure you hear us. At Yaradua Drive, Owerri, Imo State. A story building just collapsed. Whatever they will do, let them do right now. We need excavator right now. A story building just collapsed. We need excavator right now. People are still inside. Most people are dead. We need help right now. A story building just collapsed. Imo State government should hear us right now. At Yaradua Drive, a story building collapsed and people are stuck inside. Whatever they will do, let them do it right now. People are inside the whole thing. A story building, whatever you can do, whosoever you can reach, please try. A story building just collapsed at Yaradua Drive, Owerri, Imo State. And people are stuck inside. A story building just collapsed. As you can see.
If you are doing that thing, it was approved by the former government, not this one. You have to get people ready to bring her up for you. Please stop that. If you know what you are saying, so that you won't cause confusion to us. What you are doing is right, but use the right language.
You called the driver, and the driver told you that I've collected the ship from him.
It was not approved by this people.
No, like that first. Like that first. See, Moto, like that first.
Wait, Mike, come on, don't come up here. People there inside there. People